Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. This is Samrana Abed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How's everybody? After so long, I'm come back again. I have now a little bit time. I'm making butter chicken today, and this is I get the chicken and cut to the triangle or something like that slices, and I'm going to put butter chicken masala for Summer Forum. That's own make and mix spices. Mostly they grow on farm, and that's I'm going to add the masala in there, maybe 1 to 2 spoon. They're according to taste. Just depend how much you want spicy or not. I'm kind of medium. I want to heat in there. That's why I'm adding for 2 spoon, maybe 1.5 spoons. Let's go start. I add 1.5 spoon because I don't have a camera stand with me. That's why I'm holding phone for with my hand, and one hand is very hard to doing. And now I'm going to mix and then put half hour marinations and put in fridge because right now very hot, 36 to 37, very hot. Just put in fridge for half hour. If you have lots of patient, put in 1 hour. I don't have a patient, I'm just taking for half hour, and then I start to next procedure. I'm going to marination for this one and then put half hour in fridge. I add 1 spoon butter and 1 spoon cooking oil. I'm going to add onions in there, roughly 4 medium size onion. I add instead of 4 onions medium, I put 6 because the 4 looks less than me, and I put 6 onion, and I'm going to saute for this one roughly about 5 to 7 minutes. When they go a little soft, and then I add green chili, ginger, and garlic 2 spoons. I add 2 spoons ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. I add 12 tomato in there and take off the peel, and then I put in there. Bismillah, I add 1 spoon for turmeric, black pepper, garam masala, coriander, red chili, everything 1 spoon, and black pepper is half spoon only, and cinnamon powder half spoon, cumin seeds 1, and salt for 1 spoon, and red chili for 1 spoon, and they give for good color, and also the spice. If you don't like spice, don't add red chili, or just pinch add it. And that's all. I'm just going to be other cook for 5 minutes that, and then I put in blend. Then we do blender, and the spices used for Summer Forum. I put all the sauce in there in the blender. Here I put in the blender, and I'm going to see how is 5 minutes after, and right now first I put for 5 minutes. Put 2 spoons for butter in the pan, and 1 spoon cooking oil, because the oil the reason not burning butter, and this dish is butter chicken, that's why they need lots of butter. I put 2 spoon, and I add before 2. If I need, then maybe I add 1 spoon, other 1 spoon, but right now I'm thinking I'm good, and I'm going to put chicken in there now first. Other side the water is boiling, and I'm going to add I have a 3 cup rice. I'm going to add for that. And when you guys add the chicken in the butter and oil, which one I show you, 2 spoon butter and 1 spoon, I did not add more butter. It's look like to me fine. And now they just cook only 40%. When the chicken 40% roughly done, kind of still raw, and then you add sauce in there and then start cooking again. Because I make other way, I posted that video on YouTube already and a long time ago, and just scroll my videos and then you find it how I make other one. But this one's a little bit different way, but easy, very easy. And I'm done for market today, and then after I just decide, my son requesting so long make butter chicken, and then I start to making today. And it's roughly took me 45 to hour to do A to Z stuff. And look like they're 40% done. I'm going to add sauce now. There you go. Here I add the sauce in there, and now I'm going to add a 2 spoon for the cashew nut. I make a powder for that. This is make flavor and thickness. And after I have a 1 liter, 1 liter the heavy cream, I'm going to half liter add in there, and then a little bit I just put on side for garnish. I just cook for more, maybe 5 minutes, and then after I add for cream on it. Yes friends, the butter chicken is ready. It's silky smooth sauce, and my finger on here, right here, its sauce is so silky and nice. If you guys have any question, feel free ask me. And the rice is ready right here, and feel free ask me any question, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends, your neighborhood, or anybody, just to make inspire to other people for nice cooking. Give me permission to leave, inshallah. See you next video. Take care and God bless to everyone. Bye now.